Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this BMW X4. So from any screen there, you've got nav here, just the bottom one on the right hand side next to the rotary selector or the iDrive. So we'll click on nav, click on it again. It came up with a map the first time, click on it again, and you've got destination input, recent destinations, points of interest, or again they're the map. So we want destination input, click on that. United Kingdom. Right, now you've got a house or road, and then down there start guidance. So onto the house one, and then it's why they don't just put postcodes. Perhaps there is a way, but anyway. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Whately-Dale, Preston, PR, and then we need to go to numbers. So we go to further characters at the bottom, click further characters, PR 5, 4, and then it defaults back to letters J, S. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Whately-Dale, Preston, and you've got OK here. So we click OK. It's asking me, do I want to put a street in there? But I just want to start guidance. If you want to narrow it down, then by all means put a street in.
Follow the road for 800 yards.
So that's it. That's how you set the sat nav.